Do you like a challenge? Click on the challenge button and subscribe to my free 30-day real estate investing video challenge. Every day I'll get you a new video how I built my business doing 8 to 10 deals per week. It's 2.5 hours of hardcore training. Hey, Peter Vekselman here. So today I want to talk to you about two types of people, two types of personalities, and how this probably affects you no matter which part, what side of the business you're on, whether you're just starting or you're already an advanced investor. So let me tell you about a conversation I had with a good friend of mine, Mark. Mark's is an investor in Columbus. He's just hitting a bunch of grand slams on a weekly basis, doing a ton of deals, doing dozens of deals on a monthly basis. And he and I are always talking about different things that we're doing. We've done plenty of deals before. We worked in other capacities as it relates to real estate. So a couple of days ago, we're talking about potentially going into a new market. And we're talking about the kind of the positives, negatives, and then all of a sudden in the middle of the conversation, Mark says something like this. He said, Pete, look, here's the bottom line. I'm glad we're talking about it, but I got to talk to my CEO about this whole thing. And the reason I want to talk to him right now is because I'm, fully embedded in the one market I'm in. He's in Columbus, Ohio. We're hitting, like I said, a bunch of grand slams on a weekly basis, and I just don't know if I want to start up a brand new market. It's all the issues that come up with a brand new market. Now, so that's Mark's thing. He's just full-blown pedal to the metal on one side of the equation, one market, maybe two markets. He does kind of a sideline market, couple hours down the road from there. Now, from my end, here's what I've done just in the last several months. Los Angeles, Nevada, Charleston, Myrtle Beach, Atlanta, Jacksonville, and a couple other sideline markets. See, from my end, the way I look at this business is that there's opportunities that arise in different markets, different geographical locations, sometimes even different techniques and strategies. And the way I best function is the ability to is because I have the ability to move around a lot. So I may actually be more focused in a certain market for a couple months, and then potentially be more focused in a different market in a couple months down the road. See, I think that the ability to have this agility, to be nimble all the way through the process, to be able to react and move quickly is a positive for me, and I function better that way. Today my emphasis may be in one market, 3 months later it could be in a totally different market, and 4 months later it could be in a totally different market, still making a ton of money all over the place. So the question is, where do you fall in that equation? Are you the individual that just needs to stay single focused in one particular technique, one particular strategy, one geographical location, just pedal to the metal? Or are you a little bit more like me, where you have to kind of, to a certain degree, spread yourself around, to a certain degree, see what opportunities are, to a certain degree, jump at them? See, the reality of it is, only you know the answer. Maybe the people around you know the answer, but you have to figure it out. I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way to look at things. Again, we all in the end are all small business owners. See, I think it's an advantage that the fact that we have the ability to move around. I think it's a huge disadvantage for huge billion-dollar corporations because of their inability to do just that, move around. Whereas you talk to my friend Mark, he'll tell you totally opposite. Just stay grinded out in one single thing. So you got to figure out where it is, where your strength is, where your personality lies, where you best can capitalize on the opportunities, and then set your business up that allows you to do that. Either stay very single focused, very linear in your business, very vertical, or stay kind of more like me, more nimble, and in different geographic areas, maybe different techniques, maybe even some different strategies. But figure it out, and wherever that side of that is, whichever side of the equation you fall on, set your business up in such a way that allows you to do that. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in a Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Again, you could either send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link, coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.